Hi everyone, emmy-lou here. Today I'm going to draw a guinea pig and I'm drawing it for Vivian. And I'm drawing it for all of you, but Vivian, you've requested for the guinea pig, so I wanted to show you before I do that, my rabbit. How cute is he? I kind of really like him. Not my actual rabbit, I don't have a rabbit, I really want a rabbit, but this is a picture I did of a rabbit. Then, this is the guinea pig. I actually had this guinea pig, not with us anymore, but I had him, really sweet. And then, quite different, but I thought I'd show you my monkey, because that was quite tricky to paint, but it was fun to give it a go. So whatever you find hard in my videos, just give it a go, and if it doesn't work or it's not what you want, don't worry, just do something else or do another video, so it's fine. Or email me and let me know if I can do a smaller version of it or a simpler version, but I try and keep them as simple as I can, because it's always helpful, isn't it, to make sure that you can do it. Right, okay, so pencil, paper, let's go. So we want a really big head, okay, so we're going to do really big. So think the circle cookie needs to be big, it needs to be really, really big. And then you can probably see it because I've sketched it out beforehand. I'm going to do an eye. Now the eye, I'm going to do like that, but I'm going to do a white bit in the eye and colour it in just so you can see where we're going with this. So decide where you want the eye to be, which I would say is about there. So think cookie, top of the cookie, you got the chocolate chip. That'd be amazing. Right, and then what you want to do is you want to touch the top here and you want to just do a line up. So you can do a line up and you're going to do a cross. So we're trying to make him have an ear. So we're going to go, so what you're doing is you're going up, across, down. Doesn't matter how you do it, it doesn't have to be exactly like mine. As long as you've got what looks like a crooked ear almost, then you're going to go down, then you're going to just join it up. So you're going to go round, in, down, crookedy bit, round. Doesn't matter if it doesn't look exactly like that, it's fine. Just think about a guinea pig's ear isn't rounded, it sort of flops over, that's why it looks strange, but nice. Then you're going to go across, touch this bit here, and you're going to go up. Try and get this square as well if you can, and just go down till you touch the cookie and then around. Right, what you want to do is just where this is, we're going to touch just there. Can you see just there? We're going to do this, we're going to do a line. So ignore the cookie's a guideline, but we're going to do a line like that, which goes through the ear line. Then, once you've done that, we're going to join it up to the other ear. So join this up. So join all that line up for me. And then this is just a jaggedy line along the cookie. So it will make sense in a minute. Don't worry if it looks really bizarre. Okay, so you've got this bit here where you've touched. And what you want to do is you want to go down. So just go down, away from the cookie. And then you want to do this. Just a line. Just do a line like that. And then on that line, you're going to do another line. So think of it like a wobbly line. So down, line, line. And you want to add the nose and you want to add everything because then it will start to take shape. So the nostrils about here. So it's a guinea pig. So if it looks like a pig, awesome. But you want to do in between there, you want to do the line going down. It's kind of a line and then it's got that little line. So if you've missed that, 2 nostrils where you touch the circle. So go across, do 2 little nostrils that are like baked beans or they're like a bit like jelly beans. And then a line in the middle that goes down and then a little mouthy bit. Can you see the little mouthy bit on there? That's kind of cute. And you could do some of those little bobbly bits where he's got like the whiskers come out. Now most of it you're going to rub out, but before we do that I want to do a little line here and then here just do a line to match up with the circle. So what you're doing is you're touching a little half of that and just doing squiggly, squiggly, squiggly till you get to the circle. Now, this bit of the circle, you're going to just carry on. So go round that bit of the circle, round, 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 down. So you're going, touching that bit and you're going down. Now, it's good to rub out now because there's going to be quite some confusion. So what we can do is rub out everything that looks like the circle that we don't need. So it's quite hard for me to do it with this because it needs to stay straight. It's like the circle is the hardest thing for me to rub out with this thing. Ah! Well, you get the idea. So you're rubbing out that bit of the circle. Okay, just rub it out, rub it out. Now you're also rubbing this bit out of the circle. Do you remember we drew that bit up there? So rub that bit round that's rounded, and then you're completely rubbing out whatever's whatever's in that ear is what you're rubbing out. Okay, let's go. This ear has to look more of an ear. So here we could just do a line, do some squiggly lines if you like, because it makes it look like just here I'm going to do a line. If you can't find where I've done it, don't make your own lines because he's all about different colours and squiggles. So if you can see what I've done, I did a line coming from the outside of the ear somewhere because it's folding round, and then a squiggly line up. Doesn't matter how you do it, that could be squiggly there. So don't worry, he's got curly, kind of, not curly, but he's got ears that are like folded over. And they squeak, don't they, guinea pigs? How cute is that? So we want his face to be lots of different colours as well. So what you could do is touch up there. He's going to be a ginger and white guinea pig. So touch there and then touch about here if you want. He's got different colours on his face. And then here, what I'm doing is I'm doing squiggles all the way around because he's going to be different colours. Okay, so that's mostly my guinea pig. We're going to do his body now. So touch just about here. Oh man, I can't do that, did I? So if you can see it, it's just where that cookie probably began. And you're going to go round, all the way round. And you're going to go round till you almost hit level with that, but not. Okay, let's just carry on. So you're going to join this up now. Join it up so it looks a bit like a circle, but not. And then this is the fun bit. Well, hopefully the whole thing's fun, but this is quite tricky, isn't it? So here, we're going to do a little line and stop, because that's a different colour of what he is. Then here we're going to go touch up there, and you're going to go wobbly, 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 and then go back. Because he's turning, he's got a different colour in his back, so that's what we need to do. And now for the legs, he's got the cutest legs. So we're just going to go line down, line down. So do it coming off that potato shape, and then if you have a gap, and then a line down, think of them as tree trunks, and then here we're going to just go up. So that's the legs, and now we're going to just do this. You do 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry if they look strange, they've got cute little legs. 1, 2, I think they've got 5, but I'm doing 4 for some reason. So do that. Then you want to do the little nails. You don't have to add the nails, but you could. My guinea pig used to have huge nails, like really long ones. We had to clip it. Then his back leg goes like this. So just where you've ended that shape, just go out. Little sausage, little sausage, little sausage. It gets smaller. That's his back leg, and you can do some nails there if you like. Most of him is going to be fluffy, so you could do wobbly lines to help. When you get to the legs, don't do the wobbly lines because I want to show you something. Where's the tip? So we're going to rub out. Can you see? We've rubbed out wherever that line of the potato is on his legs. That is my guinea pig. How cute does he look? I'm going to draw him on a stone. So he's sort of standing on a string. He could be on a wheel, couldn't he? He could be like a hamster wheel, but it's a guinea pig. So I'm going to get a really cool orange. He's probably not this orange, but how cool would it be to do it that orange? So let's have a look at my guinea pig that I did. So my guinea pig, so most of him's white. So what I'm going to do, okay, I think I might go round him in orange. So first of all this is going to be my orange. Wow, it's quite a lot of orange. Doesn't really make too much sense there. What did I do? Oh, well, do you know what? Colour it orange. So I'm colouring all of them orange. You could have brown. You don't need to do... Is that white? Oh, man. Oh, his stripe there is white. What I might do is just do a bit of him orange, but not all of him maybe. So colour him in. Oh, he looks cute. He's a bit like a what's it orange. You know, there's really orange. Right, colour the orange bits there if you want. I'm going to smudge it. Oh, it's making me hungry because I'm thinking of those crisps. Those orange crisps that aren't particularly good for you, I'm sure. Okay, now there's a part of me that wants him to be orange and brown. Shall I? Well, I think I'm going to do a brown regardless because it's nice to have brown. So we're going to do brown for him. Let's do brown under his little face. And a bit of brown for that stripy bit there that sort of blends in. Can't see it now, can you? We'll do a bit of brown there. And the bit of the ear will be brown. So if you're not sure how to colour him in, get a dark brown and just draw around him. Draw around all the pencil lines. That might be a lot easier. And then we're going to smudge away. If you've got watercolour pencils, do the same, but without the fingers smudging. And if you've got oil pastel, you can still smudge. If you've got just normal colour pencil, just colour it one colour if you like. It doesn't have to be more than one. Now, he's got quite a cute nose, hasn't he? He's got such a cute nose. I'm going to do it grey, just to outline the fact it's white, which might not make any sense, but it highlights things when you do grey. Makes it look more white. So I've got my grey, I've got to clean my finger, and we're just going to smudge in. Blend. And you could do your whiskers as well, be cool, wouldn't it? I would recommend getting some chalk pastels if you're able to. If you're not, you don't need it, but if you can, that'll be awesome. I would say the eye, like how cool is this once I do the black? Do you know what I mean? It really stands out, kind of makes me smile. I almost want to go round with black now. I think I've said that for all the animals, haven't I? I'd put a bit of black on his ear. All I'm doing is I'm following the pencil lines when I do the black. I'm just smudging in. So it's up to you how you want to do it. I might go around there as well because it's kind of cool. Oh, might have a bit of shadow under there. Yeah, so that's pretty much my guinea pig. And he's squeaking. I remember my guinea pig always used to squeak. Such a cute thing. He used to go and run around me. It was so cute. So there's my guinea pig. Have a go at doing it yourself. Different colours if you want to. It doesn't have to be these colours at all. As long as you've got the basics set up. I think I might put him on a green hill. He's on some fluorescent grass. Woo, that is bright, isn't it? Look at that bright grass. I think I might change it slightly. It's a bit bright. Oh, that's a nice green. That's better, isn't it? Ooh, yeah. So there is my awesome guinea pig. He's really quite cute. I'm going to do some dark green where he's sitting, because then it shows that there's shadow there. So have some fun with your guinea pig. Maybe you could do a black and white guinea pig. Don't worry about colouring it in the way I did. Just do an outline of brown if you want and smudge in. Just have a go, have some fun. It's all about having fun. If you're not having fun, then it's not going to really look how you want it to normally. I'm going to sign it. Ta-da! So I'm just looking now, and I'm thinking I'd probably put some white in its eye. I like the idea of going over that with white. I'd probably put some furry bits with white. Can you see he looks more furry? The awesome thing about chalk is you can just fiddle around with it and it's okay. But if it's watercolour pencil, it's a bit more trickier. You've got to wait for it to dry and everything. So have some fun, really have some fun with it. And don't take it too seriously. No one's marking you on it, and it's just so you can practice. Practice your art skills, that's all it is. So don't worry what the outcome is. Just have a bit of fun, have a go. And I think I'm going to do I said I would do a dog. I think it was a terrier for someone, so that'd be kind of cool. I wrote it down somewhere. Bella wants I don't know what it is. It's a soft-coated Wheaten Terrier, so we'll be doing that next. That'll be cool. So yeah, have some fun with it, and I shall see you tomorrow.